In this video, we learn about climate and climate change. So climate is the long-term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. So some of the meteorological variables that are commonly measured are temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, and precipitation. So global warming is a phenomenon of climate change characterized by a general increase in average temperatures of the earth. So which modifies the weather balances and ecosystem for a long time. It is directly linked to the increase of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, worsening the greenhouse effect. So the question, what is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon. However, the increase in greenhouse gases is linked to human activities such as fossil fuels, deforestation, intensive farming, so on and so forth. So let's take fossil fuels, deforestation, intensive, and look at how they affect our atmosphere. So fossil fuels. The massive use of fossil fuels is obviously the first source of global warming, as burning coal, oil, and gas produces carbon dioxide, the most important greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, as well as nitrous oxide. So the deforestation. The exploitation of forests has a major role in climate change. Trees help regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So when they are cut down, this positive effect is lost and the carbon stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere. That increases what? The greenhouse effect. And another one is intensive farming. Another cause of global warming is intensive farming, not only with the ever-increasing livestock, but also with plant protection products and fertilizer. In fact, cattle and sheep produce large amounts of methane when digesting their food, while fertilizer produce nitrous oxide emissions. So let's go to waste disposals. Waste management methods like landfills and incineration emit greenhouse and toxic gases, including methane, that are released into the atmosphere, soil, and waterways, contributing to the increase of the greenhouse effect. So let's look at the effect of global warming on humans. Human beings are not spared by these upheavals. Climate change is affecting the global economy. It is already shaking up social, health, and geopolitical balances in many parts of the world. So the scarcity of resources like food and energy gives rise to new conflicts. So climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns, in particular a change apparently attributed largely to the increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels. So these are the effects on what? On global warming. Scarcity of food and then energy that give rise to new conflicts.